That's the guy.
Start up.
How y'all doing? Look at this perfume. This is some expensive stuff, ain't it? Let me smell this. Let's advertise real quick. Oh, hold on, I lost it. What's it at?
The thing. Boy.
Oh! I can't smell it. Smells wonderful, don't it? Oh! Let's try this. This looks like a piece of crap. This don't even look like it smells good at all. Piece of the bottom. Women don't buy this. Do not buy this.
Hey, I bought it.
Oh, y'all women is nasty. Oh, hold up. Oh, hold up. That's my favorite color. You know this smells good.
Like juice?
Look like straight up venom gonna make y'all butt horrible. Who let me? I ain't trying to snort
Your
it.
pants up.
Is it?
Yes, I can see your whole butt.
This.
Oh, he's full of... Oh.
Dang it.
Brady, just put it on your arm. Whoa, okay, hello. Finish your advertisement.
I can't smell it. The film keeps going everywhere.
What's so funny?
I'm sorry.
Do it again.
Wait, I just got him.
Who out
Okay.
there?
No, see, yeah, see, you know what?
Who's here?
Purple smells good. Purple smells good.
Okay, there's one more. No, there's two more.
No, it don't.
Wait a minute.
Stank.
What's your shirt say? Oh,
Dang,
dang.
boy.
What you gonna do about it?
I'm afraid to do this.
Yeah, I shot.
Hey, Brandon.
Oh, he's smoking weed.
I got this stank cup.
Look at his eyes.
Oh, I wasn't paying attention.
Look at his eyes. Oh, he's high. You know how I feel?
Okay, that's plain. That ain't nothing on this. I know it.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
this plain. He said,
Are you messing with all my perfume?
Hey, please.
no, women
Why y'all
stink.
here anyway? What? Who said what?